Hello and welcome to the DATAcated Power BI tutorials. In this video, we're going to cover how to build your very first chart in Power BI. All right, in a prior video, I showed you how to connect to data, and we actually connected to the Superstore sample dataset, basically a dataset that includes data around sales, profit, customer information, order information. So if you picture like a Walmart or a Target type of company, and we have access to their data. So in terms of building your very first chart, there are a couple ways you can do that. I'm going to go ahead and hide the filters pane for now, just to give us a little bit more space. So here we're looking at the canvas, right? The Power BI canvas, really exciting stuff. We've got the visualizations and we've got the field panes right here. Let's say we want to build a simple bar chart, right? Or a column chart. We can go ahead and click on the bar chart and we can expand it to a bigger size. Let's say we want it to be this big. And what we do now is we actually add data fields to our axes. So let's say we want to show category, right? Let's go ahead and click on category, and we want to show sales. So we want to show sales by category. Selecting those two fields, Power BI actually places category on the axes and sales on the values areas, and it builds a bar chart for us. So we can go ahead and expand that if we wanted, make it bigger, make it longer. And yeah, it took us like 2 seconds to build our very first chart. At this point, I'm actually going to delete this and show you another way to build your first chart. Let's say you wanted to, again, go to sales and you wanted to visualize sales by category. Without actually selecting a chart, just selecting the fields that you want to show, Power BI automatically builds a bar chart for you because it assumes that this is the best way to visualize or represent this type of data. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this one more time and show you how Power BI is really smart in terms of understanding what visualizations or chart types to use for different types of data. So if we were to select, let's say, data around cities, and let's say profit by city, it's automatically going to create a map view. So I'm going to just expand that so you could see that a little bit better. So this is showing profit by city. So basically, Power BI is smart enough to understand what types of fields you're working with, and it attempts to guess at what type of visualization you want to put out there. All right, hopefully this video helped you in terms of encouraging you to go ahead and build your very first chart. All you have to do really is connect to data, which takes about 30 seconds, and then go ahead and play around with Power BI, dragging and dropping or clicking those fields, or starting with the visualizations pane, selecting the chart, and then adding the fields to the view. Several ways that you can build your first chart, and I hope this video helped. If you're looking for a course on how to go from data to dashboard in Power BI, I've actually got a course up on datacatedacademy.com that you can go ahead and check out. Thanks.